Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel IT for You. Today's video is highly requested as one of our viewers asked us how to find the IP address of their HP LaserJet printer. So this video is specially made for you, and we hope it helps. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to find the IP address of your HP LaserJet Pro MFP M26NW. Before we begin, there is one key thing to make sure of. Your printer must be actively connected to your local network, either through an Ethernet LAN cable or via your Wi-Fi router. Once connected, your printer will automatically assign itself an IP address. Now let's look at the first and easiest way to find this IP address. Walk up to your printer and look at the control panel screen. If your printer is connected to your Wi-Fi or local network, the IP address should automatically display right on the home screen. It will look like a series of numbers separated by dots, for example 192.168.1.15. If you see this number on your screen, congratulations, you can write it down, as this is the IP address you need to connect your devices. But what if the IP address is not showing up on the screen? Don't worry at all, because we can easily print out a complete system report to find it. Let's do this step by step. First, make sure you have loaded some plain paper into the input tray. Next, look at your printer's control panel and press the Setup button. This is the button that has a wrench or spanner icon on it. Now, use the arrow keys to scroll through the menu until you see Reports, then press the OK button. Use the arrow keys again to find Config Report or Configuration Report, and press OK one more time. Your printer will now start printing a detailed report page. Once the page prints out, take a look at it. This document contains all the technical details of your printer. Look closely under the Network Information or IPv4 section. Right there, you will find a line labeled IP address. This is the official IP address of your HP LaserJet. And that is all it takes. You can now use this IP address on your computer or phone to print wirelessly and manage your printer settings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.